In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Audi A4 Quattro. This is going to be located under the hood, right next to the cowl. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the battery. We want to disconnect the negative side first, the negative terminal. We're going to use a 10mm wrench, loosen up this nut, grab the connector, slide that off out of the way. Do the same on the positive. Take that off, just slide that out of the way. There's a vent tube right here. I'm going to disconnect that, just slide that out of the way. Using a 6mm hex socket, I'm going to take the hold down bracket off, take this screw out, and pull the bracket right out. We'll just grab the battery, we're going to pull it forward slightly, and we can pull it right up and out. Now take the battery, slide it in position, and you're going to push it back. There's a little lip, it's going to go under that lip. That's good. Take the hold down, get that lined up. You can adjust the battery if you need to. And snug that down. Connect the vent tube. Just push that in place. Connect the positive terminal. Get that lined up. Push that on. Now tighten down the nut. Make sure that's snug. Give it a wiggle. Make sure it's tight. That's good. Now the negative terminal, push that on, and we'll tighten this nut down. Snug that down, give it a wiggle. That's tight, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.